Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to access your campaign ads manager on LinkedIn. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and manage your campaign ads. Where do you actually go ahead and access it on LinkedIn? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to your LinkedIn account. Next, on the upper right hand corner, you want to click on advertise. And then once you click on advertise, this is how you're going to access your campaign manager on LinkedIn. So if you can see here, I have one ad account or one campaign manager account accessed. But if you want to go ahead and create a new campaign, all you've got to do is click on create an account, name your ad account. So we can call this John's ad account 2. And then you need to associate a LinkedIn page. So if you don't have a business page, you can add new and then click on save. And also agree to the guidelines and the agreements. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and access your campaign manager on LinkedIn. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.